I'm here in the kitchen where the party's at, celebrating a birthday with a happy chat. We're gathered round the table with cake and treats galore, making memories that we'll always adore. Happy moments, we're having a blast. From the kitchen to the bar, we're making it last. With friends and family, we're feeling so free. Happy moments, that's just me. We took a ride on the bus with a smile on our face. Then we soared through the sky in a helicopter's pace. We even blasted off into outer space.